So today I'm going to teach you all the phrases and sentences that you're actually going to use during the evening time. Because, evening time in Thailand is like, we'll call it a magic hour, right? After the golden hours. So life become more subtle because people are off work. They're in a good mood. They want to spend time with their loved ones or family or friends or whatever, right? So all these phrases is going to be all about evening time that you're going to be using, okay? So first one, in the evening is ตอนเย็น ตอนเย็น means evening time. ตอนเย็น You can use that if you want to meet up with someone. You say, yeah, let's meet up in the evening. ตอนเย็น. All right. Sunset. Sunset is a little bit more complicated. Sunset is พระอาทิตย์ตก พระอาทิตย์ตก means sunset time. พระอาทิตย์ means the sun, the yellow one, just a sun. Don't forget that. พระอาทิตย์ตก ตก means falling out of the sky. Sunset, right? Okay. พระอาทิตย์ตก Okay. Sunset. A little bit more difficult, but I know you can do it. Next one is when the sky changing the color. You know, the sky is changing color from gold to blue hour to the pink hours or whatever, right? It's just the most beautiful. It's the most magical time. So you're taking a photo, or you want to show the photo to some people, and you want to tell them that, hey, this is like a sunset time, or you're just sitting there and with your loved ones or with new friends, or you just point out and say, hey man, look at that, the sky is changing color. ฟ้าเปลี่ยนสี ฟ้าเปลี่ยนสี means the sky is changing. ฟ้า means the sky. ท้องฟ้า but you can just say ฟ้า. Actually it means blue as well. Blue color, light blue. That's why they call it ฟ้า because it's light blue. เปลี่ยน เปลี่ยน means changing. สี it means color. The sky is changing color. ฟ้าเปลี่ยนสี Dinner time. Dinner time. I'm going to teach you two ways to say it. อาหารเย็น means dinner. อาหารเย็น okay? Dinner time. มื้อเย็น มื้อเย็น means dinner time. For example, breakfast, it'll be มื้อเช้า or อาหารเช้า Lunch, มื้อกลางวัน or อาหารกลางวัน Dinner time, มื้อเย็น or อาหารเย็น but you can just say มื้อเย็น means a dinner course. Okay, next one. I want to watch a movie this evening. Okay, I don't know, Netflix and chill. ฉันอยากดูหนังเย็นนี้ means I want to watch a movie this evening. ฉันอยากดูหนังเย็นนี้ One more time. ฉันอยากดูหนังเย็นนี้ Okay, I want to watch a movie this evening. Another one is pretty nice because in the evening in Thailand sometimes it's very quiet, especially out in the country. So you want to go for a walk with your new friend, or with your loved one, or with your family, or whatever, right? Take a walk. ไปเดินเล่น ไปเดินเล่น means going for a walk. Or you can ask them if you want to go for a stroll. ไปเดินเล่น My is a question mark. Like you want to go with me. ไปเดินเล่น My means you want to go for a stroll or for a walk in the evening. Okay. Next one is more like the things that happen in Thailand is it's gonna rain. Light sprinkle or whatever, right? Okay, so it's raining. So you say ฝนตก ฝนตก means raining. I don't know if I want to go for a walk, unless you want to walk in the rain, you know. ฝนตก means raining. Okay. Next one, preparing dinner. เตรียมอาหารเย็น เตรียม means preparing. เตรียม which means you start cooking or or whatever, you know, doing all that. I don't know how to cook, so yeah, I don't know how to explain that. But เตรียม means preparing. เตรียมอาหารเย็น means I'm preparing dinner. Okay, so next one is sitting on a balcony. นั่งอยู่บนระเบียง นั่งอยู่บนระเบียง means I'm sitting on a balcony. They ask you, what are you doing? Yeah, oh yeah, I'm just like, you know, sitting on a balcony. ฉันนั่งอยู่บนระเบียง ระเบียง means balcony. ฉันนั่ง means sitting. Okay? ฉันนั่งอยู่บนระเบียง. I'm sitting on a balcony. And what are you doing there? Sitting on a balcony? Well, I'm chatting with you. I'm chatting with friends. How do you say that? I'm just chatting with friends. คุยกับเพื่อน คุยกับเพื่อน คุย means chatting. กับ means with. เพื่อน means friends. คุยกับเพื่อน chatting with friends. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. It's all about just phrases in the evening. This kind of conversation is good to learn. All right. So evening phrases. Okay. If you have any question, let me know and just leave in a comment. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. My name is Bodo, and I will see you next time. Peace.